Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to enable the direct commands on the following car. So basically, you can enable some commands to say without the Hey Mercedes function. Let
How
me,
can I help?
yeah, now you have to wait a few seconds.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again, please?
Okay, I will show you how to skip it, how to control your car, how to say some commands without activating the voice assistant from Mercedes. Let's swipe a few times to find settings, so this car icon, and here as you can see you've got the system tab, and under system tab you've got voice assistant. And here you can find this, let me disable it to say it. You can find the Hey Mercedes function. And now if you enable this, and if you tap here the settings, you've got access to the direct commands. So you can enable the direct commands, and you can use, in this time you can use two commands with music. So you can change the volume of music. Let me just show you. Unmute music, and as you can see, just unmute the music without saying the Mercedes command to activate your assistant. It can be quite useful. I think the Mercedes will also introduce some new functions to this direct commands. Right now you can only use the volume commands, but as I said, it can change in the future. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.